Hi friends, today is 12/5/2021 and we are going to discuss regarding Indian stock market performance. So first, the channel name is Marking with Candlesticks. Please subscribe this channel. This channel will going to give you a lot of knowledge regarding Indian stock market. At the later part of the video, we are going to discuss little bit about the world market, which is Dow Jones and SGX Nifty. Before going to start the video, I request all of you to please subscribe this channel and go to the Instagram link which is given in my channel description box, so that you can see whatever I told you. That snapshot is available in the Instagram page. This is a educational purpose channel. Before investing, you should have a depth knowledge, and the channel is not responsible for any investment related decision you have making, whether it is profit or loss. Okay, let's go. So you can see this is Nifty 50 and I am going to open StockEdge app. I will tell you everybody to download the StockEdge app. It will benefit you a lot. And this is Nifty 50 indices, and I am going to focus mostly on Nifty 50 because there are so many beginners in stock market. For them, Nifty 50, to concentrate in Nifty 50 for at least 1 year is much more beneficial. We'll go to stocks. We'll go to the gainers. Today top gainer is Tata Motors, Titan Company, Maruti Suzuki, Power Grid Corporation, UPL, Cipla. And the top losers: Tata Steel, JSW Steel, IndusInd Bank, Hindalco, Hindustan Unilever. So Tata Steel and JSW Steel we are going to discuss. Both are metal sector stock and these are peers company. In my video, mostly I link one company with another by peer group, so that when you are investing in Tata Steel, that time you have to check whether JSW or any other steel company is performing as like Tata Steel or not. Sale. Okay, so gainers, we are going to today discuss Tata Motors. Right now again, investor favorite, and Power Grid Corporation of India. So there will be one is two metal sectors, Tata Steel and JSW Steel, Tata Motors and Power Grid Corporation. Before I'll go to all this share, let's open the Excel sheet. Why I am going to tell you open this Excel sheet? Because through the Excel sheet we are going to do some homework. We'll write it down. Sector, where is the June? One second. Sector, then company name, target, period. Okay, Okay, sector, company name, resistance zone, support zone, target period. Target period mostly it will be 6 months to 1 year for investment purpose, because here we are going to discuss those stock which I have a view of 6 month or 1 year. So it's mostly the channel is a investment related channel, but if the stock is decreasing every day, then that time I am going to give you a target, so that if you have a position, buy a position, and the stock is continuously decreasing, then what should be the price you should come out from that stock. Okay, so let's go fatafat. Tata Motors, the gainer. The fundamental is that Tata Motors is an automobile and ancillaries company. So always remember these sectors, because through sector you can able to know right now which sector is in focus in the stock market, which is the investor favorite stock. Tata Motors. If I am coming to Hindalco, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, then it is a metal sector. Tata Motors right now Tata Tata Motors. You see, Tata Motors, the today from 1 day candlestick we can able to know it has break the first resistance, which is coming around 319, nearly 319. Right now today closing price is 325.85. So as it is sustaining near 325 again next 1 or 2 trading days, then the next target will be 344. So my first target for Tata Motors is 344. Its company name Tata Motors, sector auto. Register, as the stock today is in a rising zone, so it has a resistance zone. So the resistance zone for Tata Motors is that 319. If it gives coming 2 or 3 trading days more than 319 above price, its closing price will be more than 319, then Tata Motors next target will be 344. Then we are coming to Tata Motors weekly chart pattern. From weekly chart pattern, the next target is coming 427.57. So in a daily it is 344. If I am zooming in. Okay, so my first target, which is 344, it is a very small target. From the weekly point of view, the next target it is coming 426. So target 1, target 2, this is target. This is target 1, this is target 2. Okay, so how it works, like my resistance zone is 319. If it breaks first and it sustain in 319 for 1 or 2 days, the next target will be 344. And if we sustain above 344 for 1 or 2 days, the next target is 426. time period I am giving for 426 I am giving, because for 6 months to 1 year I am giving this target, 6 months to 1 year. So my target is this one. When this target will achieve, again we are making a video and we revise the target all. Okay, then the next talk we are talking is Power Grid Corporation. Power Grid. Power Grid Corporation. Let's open its chart. Before that, I am going to Power Grid. Power Grid Corporation fundamentally is that it's a power generation company. So the peer of Power Grid Corporation is next is NTPC. Coming videos we are also going to make a video regarding NTPC, REC, PFC, but today our focus will be Power Grid Corporation. It's a very good company. So in Power Grid Corporation, power based company, as it is in uptrend, so I am marking this Tata Motors, it is uptrend today, so green. Power Grid also uptrend, Power Grid. So Power Grid is also in uptrend, so I am marking that was also green. Power Grid, let's see the chart. In first we will go for 1 day chart. Oh, you see, in my Instagram channel I am going to give the snapshot of this Power Grid, Tata Motors, JSW, and another that Tata Steel. Here you see, today it went the first resistance in daily chart 229.57, but it cannot sustain. Today it's closing at 226. Okay, so my next target for Power Grid is 229.57, resistance zone 229.57 nearly. So if it sustain 229 or 230 for 1 or 2 trading days, then my next target will be 239.25. So that is my target, 239. Okay, then I am coming to weekly chart and I have to see any next target 2 is coming. Yeah, there is a target 2 is coming, that is 239. Already I have written. Let's confirm with monthly chart, any target is coming, we have to check. No, monthly chart also 239, because if you see the monthly chart, till now Power Grid does not have completed. So my next target for Power Grid is 239. Once 239 cross, then what I found in daily chart, once it cross 229, then my next target will be 239. Once it 239 cross, then that time, after that only we are going to revise it. So my target 1 is only 239. Here period we can give, but because it can easily achievable, so we have to see whether 1 month, let's suppose 2 months also. Okay, then next stock, fatapat. The next stock is from loser side too. It's a 2020 match. From loser side, oh, the top loser is today is Tata Steel, 4.4% decline, and another is JSW Steel, 3.6% decline, and one of the peer company I can say it is Hindalco Industry, 3.4%. Let's go for Tata Steel. Tata Steel, always go for fundamental, iron and steel sector. Tata Steel, Tisco we used to tell. Sorry. Still. Tata Steel. It's in red. Sorry. It's in red because to the decline. Okay, then we are going for support zone. Declining. Upper, top resistance, down support. We have to check what happened to Mr. Tata Steel. Tata Steel. ST. Tata. Tata Steel. Tata Steel. Tata Steel. Tata Steel. Oh, you see, we have to see what is the next. You see from it clearly, it is visible. Right now, Tata Steel today closing price is 1179.15. The next, if you go for a 5 minutes chart, we have to see whether from 5 minutes and anything is visible, whether it has break something. From 5 minutes chart. Once. Okay, this is the chart pattern of today. Okay, I have to show. Okay, we'll go for 1 day. Okay, the Tata Steel is in a declining position, so the first target is coming 1118. If it breaks 1118, then the next target will be 1001. We have to go for weekly chart. In weekly pattern, the target first is 900. The first target is 921. The second target is 782. It is coming. Okay, but if I go for 1 day, small if we'll go for a daily chart basis, my pattern is coming like that. I have also go to monthly, but monthly it will be a very long period of time. Okay, we'll go for the daily because small target we have to see. So my next target it is 1119. Right now it is, the zone is 1202. Okay, 1202. So if it breaks 122, means today it has already, its price is 179. So you already breached the level of 1202 from in a declining mode. So once it breach that 1202 level, my next coming is 1118. Target 2 is 1118. If it breaks, the next in daily chart it is coming 1002. So it's in a red. So this is for buy. This is for buy. This is for sell. If it is have a down move, that time only we have to do. Means 1202 already breached. Next is 118 target. If 118 breaks, next 1002. So you have see only 100 difference. You can give this one also 4 month. And I am telling you another technique also. If it comes to 1118, there it sustains and it goes upward, then my target will be 1202. Reverse, just reverse that one. And weekly it is coming. This is the big, for weekly the big target, it is 918. It's a big target. So 918 means in Delhi when it is coming 935, 800. Okay, from Delhi itself we can, if weekly pattern, it is the target is 918, it is they are giving. But in a step by step mode I will tell you 1002, next is 964, next is 935, like that. Okay, but the second option I told you, if it come to 1118 and it sustain there for 2 to 3 days and it goes upward, then my next target will be 1202. Then next is Jindal Steel. JSW Steel. Fundamental. It is also from iron and steel sector. Today JSW Steel closing price is 707.90. Okay, so we can see clearly from this chart pattern the next target for JSW Steel is 682. If it breaks 682, next will be 643, next will be 605. Another technique I told you, if at 680 it sustains for 2 to 3 days and goes upward, then my target will be, from weekly chart we have to find it out. Okay, JSW Steel in a, okay, it's a upward direction. So for that we have to find the target from the 52 high. What is the 52 high of JSW Steel? We have to find from Google. JSW. Okay, you can see the JSW Steel 52 high is 773. So 773. So once JSW Steel comes at 682 and it sustain and it goes upward, then my next target for the JSW Steel will be 773, which is 52 high. But if it today it has a downtrend, so in a downtrend market you have to sell that stock. So I am telling, if 683 is my next target, if it has a down red candle next 2 to 3 days, after 683, if it breaks 683 in a downtrend slope, then the next target will be 642 and next target will be 605. So JSW Steel support zone is 683. Next target will be 642 and 605. You can give this one 4 month period and it is a sell candidate. So today recap is that our auto sector, power sector, steel sector. Auto sector, Tata Motors and Power Grid, that 2 is a buying zone candidate, and if it is go upward, that time only we have to do all these things. And in Tata Steel and JSW Steel, if it is coming downward, that time we have to do this target. And this Excel sheet I am going to share in my Instagram account. Please subscribe that Instagram account so that you can get that screenshot of this all and the chart pattern of this 4 company. Next we are going to see the world market, that is Dow Jones. You see Dow Jones today also 280 points as of now down. Yesterday also 1.46% it was down. So Dow Jones is a very downtrend nowadays. I think the target next is for Dow Jones, it is coming 3300, 677. So again I am going to tell you, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends, and from this Excel sheet you are going to be benefited. But before investing all these stocks, please consult your financial advisor or do research. Without research you cannot able to get good amount of money from stock market. So thank you.